Hey yo, what's going on everyone? We got a very special pair today. And I will tell you in a minute. First, let me go ahead and show you the box. This is from the Seria collection. And check that out. It says breakers only for the elite. Here's the box label which will explain why this pair is special. This is the Lowland 2.0 and the colorway name is Breakers White Navy Red. But check out the SKU number. All zeros. The Van Doren approved logo is always nice to see. Let's go ahead and unbox this pair. Before we start, let me go ahead and flip this box because I don't know if it's intentional, but it is upside down. Now that's done, let me explain why this pair is special. So for the last few years, there is an annual Wafflehead event held at the Vans headquarters in Costa Mesa here in California. Unfortunately, last year I couldn't make it and there was an exclusive pair that was gifted to everyone who attended. I got to go this year and let me tell you, it was so much fun, especially meeting all the cool Waffleheads. And yes, Vans hooked it up with food, drinks, and of course, this pair gifted by a special host, Steve Van Doren. And I'm sorry to say this, but just like the SKU number says all zeros, that means this will never be released in public. By the way, here is the inspiration for this pair. Paying homage to the OG breaker shoe Vans created back in the 80s. This pic is courtesy of Under the Palms. Make sure you follow them on Instagram if you haven't yet. During the Wafflehead event, Steve Van Doren told us a short story about breakdancing and Vans a long time ago. Let's listen to it.
So my story with breakdancing in 1983 and 84, we had a van that pulled a 40-foot trailer that folded out and was like a stage. And then out came the linoleum, and out came the breakers. We had 3 breakdance teams, okay? We had a group from the Samoans, then we had a Hispanic, and then we had a collective group. And so we went to Six Flags, went against the New York Breakers, and a Samoan team with the 4-year-old from the Hispanic team, they beat them. We had great breakdance teams and stuff back in the day, but it was so funny because it was new to me. I was used to skateboarding, you know, punk rock and stuff, and all of a sudden it seemed like it was a battle every time. I'm waiting for this fight to break out and stuff, but it was all friendly. But we actually had breakdance demos at Angel Stadium like 4 times. Reggie Jackson was on the Angels, and he's standing there watching as the guys are breaking right there before the game. So we had some exciting times. We opened up Studio K at Knott's Berry Farm. It's a brand new dance place. And the Vans breaking, we went to 21 high schools, got teams, got down to 8 teams, brought up Knott's Berry Farm, and opened up Studio K with the Vans break dance contest. Our teams did the demo before the contest and stuff. So those are the early days, so it's kind of exciting to go and be able to see on TV because I just got back from Paris for the skateboarding last Thursday, and the breakers were on Saturday. But lots of old memories showing the break, and I wanted to honor all of you here today with those shoes so you can have them forever.
Thank you, Steve, for that cool story. If you want to watch the whole video, it's going to be in my Instagram reel. I went live during that Wafflehead event. Now let's get back to the shoe. The insoles are not detachable, and I'm trying to show you here the logo inside it. We'll get a better view from it later on. Time to lace it up, so let's start with the stock laces. This looks nice and clean. What do you think about this? This pair came with 2 extra laces, a red one and a white one with words on it. I'll show you later. But first I want to show you the pair with no laces on it so you can see the tongue and the insoles. The tab at the back of the tongue has the same logo as the insoles and the one on the box. Now we should be able to see a better view of the insoles. So let me zoom in on this. Vans breakers only for the elite. Man, this is so cool, especially the fact that we just had the Olympics and they did have breakdancing as one of the events. Okay, so now here is the extra red laces it came with. I think it looks nice since it matches the toe box, the tongue, and the linings. What y'all think? Now we're down to the last extra laces it came with. Let me show you what it says. Vans, only for the elite, exclamation point, breakers. And I don't say this a lot about laces, but the quality on these laces are super nice. Oh, this is so fire. And if you notice, I made sure the word breakers is right smack in the middle. So which one is your favorite? The stock white laces, the red one, or these? I'm excited to take some on-feed pics of this pair. So make sure to follow me. It's Stan824 on Instagram. Thank you all for watching. Once again, please hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. And I will see you all on the next video.